any classic car that runs on normal SU carburettors, and I just want to go through the correct starting procedure for this age of vehicle. And this car hasn't been started for well over a week. It's absolutely stone cold, so I'm going to go through the procedure with you. Pull the choke fully out, like so. And the next step is press the accelerator twice fully. Ignition key to the right. And wait 10 seconds for the fuel pump to prime. And with your foot a quarter of the way on the accelerator, doesn't that sound great? After going to the shops, the car is now nice and warm. Normal operating temperature. Let's switch it off. Now we will do a hot start. Ensure that the choke is fully in. And the next step is press the accelerator fully twice. 1, 2. And with your foot a quarter of the way on the accelerator, key, and wait 10 seconds. Have it, a hot start. I've had no problems starting the car at all. Hopefully that's a help to someone out there who's having trouble starting, particularly hot starts with the new type of fuel. Follow that procedure and give it a try. If the car is correctly maintained and everything's in good order, this could help by the fact that it gets the fuel into the carburettors. This was recommended back in the 60s. Not sure how to start these old cars, they are different. The gear knob is in neutral. For future videos like this one and others, please don't forget to subscribe.